getting your dream job faster. How do you do it? What process do you need to follow? And what's going to change in your life once it happens? That's exactly what we're going to talk about in today's video. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how. All right, so getting your dream job faster. I'm going to start off by telling you the number one hurdle to getting your dream job, okay? The number one reason most of us don't have our dream jobs, or people that don't have their dream jobs don't, is they don't have the college degree. So they don't qualify for the dream job because you need a degree to get it. Yes, there are exceptions. You can get really, really cool jobs without college degrees, but most people need a college degree to get their dream job. But earning a college degree takes on average of between 5 and 8 years. To get a bachelor's degree, colleges and universities tell us that it takes 4 years. It actually takes 5 to 8 years on average. That's hard. So let's say we want to get our dream job. We're not making as much money as we want, but we didn't go to college, or we haven't gone to college yet. It's really, really difficult to look down the road and think, you know what? I can do this, but it's going to take me 5, 6+ years. That's hard. That's why most people fail. That's why most people drop out, because it takes so long and it's so expensive to earn a college degree. So how do you do it faster? You use the process of degree hacking. You test out of your classes, earn your college degree in as little as 6 to 12 months. I can tell you more about that in just a minute, but I want to jump over to my computer screen and tell you, or show you some numbers here, okay? To get your dream job, if you need the college degree, the average amount of time it takes to get that college degree is between 5 and 8 years, okay? I'm going to crunch some numbers here. We're going to say tuition costs on average, and excuse the penmanship, I'm using my mouse to write here. I'm not very good at it, as you can tell. It costs about $100,000 in tuition, okay? $100K. Tuition's going to cost about $100K. But there is a much bigger expense that's way bigger than paying tuition, and a huge expense in going to college, okay? And that expense is opportunity cost, okay? Now, what the heck is opportunity cost? It's basically, what do you lose by giving up 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 years to go back to college? What are you giving up? Okay. Now, like I said, the average college grad to get a bachelor's degree is between 5 and 8 years. We're going to use 5 years just for some good round numbers. Okay. Let's say across those 5 years, you can't work as much, or you can't work full time. Okay. Because you have to spend so much time going to school. Well, opportunity costs would be, how much money would you have made if you didn't go to school compared to how much did you make working less hours? You basically have lost income because you don't have as many hours to work by going back to college. Now, just for some good round numbers, okay, we're going to say that your opportunity cost, or the average opportunity cost, this is just, it's a guess, but I promise you it's probably even higher than what I'm about to share. Let's say that's about $20,000 per year in lost income, okay? Because you're a full-time student now, right? You can't work full-time, or if you are working full-time, you probably can't get as good of a job because you just don't have time to really put your whole self in to work, right? So about $20,000 a year. Well, if we multiply this $20,000 per year in lost income by 5 years, what do you have? You have another $100,000 in expense, okay? And I know it's not a physical expense because you don't have to actually pay it, you're not paying another $100,000 towards tuition, but you're literally losing this type of money by giving up work to go back to college. That's massive. What this is saying, and like I said, $20,000 a year in lost income, that's conservative. A lot of people are going to lose a lot more money than this by going to work or going to school instead of going to work by giving up work, right? So now we're talking $100,000 in tuition, $100,000 in lost income. You're talking over $200,000 to go to school when you add in that opportunity cost. The number one reason people don't go to school is because it's too expensive, too much time. So I guess those are two reasons. It takes too long and it's too expensive. That's why we don't go to college. Like, that's why we have this natural tendency to jump right into the workforce and to skip school and to jump out, because we're losing money. We need to make money to support our families and to live our lives and things like that, right? Well, now it's a whole new era, right? We have the entire internet at our disposal. Learning is so much easier than it used to be. We used to have to go sit down and read textbooks to learn things. Guess what? We don't have to do that anymore. We've got smartphones in our pockets. We can learn anything we want in a matter of seconds. If we take these modern resources and apply them to learning what we need to learn to graduate college, we can learn, test out of our classes, graduate college much, much faster. You can earn a college degree in as little as 6 to 12 months, which is absolutely incredible. It's a really, really cool bonus of living in this day and age, that we have shortcuts available to us. If you want to know the exact 3-step process that I used to earn my entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months, I'm going to leave a link to a video. It's free to watch. A link's going to be down in the description. You can click the link, watch a video of me walking you through the 3-step process that I used to graduate so much faster for way, way less money. The whole purpose, the whole reason I'm allowing you to watch this video is because I want it to work for you. My hope is that degree hacking saves you a whole lot of time and a whole lot of money on tuition. Getting your dream job faster. The key to getting your dream job faster is getting your college degree faster. The fastest way I've ever found to do that is by following the process of degree hacking. You can click the link below, watch the video for free, and learn exactly how to do it. I hope this video has opened your mind to good ways to get your dream job faster, get your college degree faster, and maybe unlocked some future benefits for you getting your degree faster and starting to make that money and having way less opportunity cost going to college. You don't have to give up work for 5 or 6 years to go to college. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.